Product Mafia Honest Review, watch before using. In this video, I'm going to provide an honest review of Product Mafia, a product research tool designed to help dropshippers find winning products and gain a competitive edge. If you're considering using it, stay tuned. Links to the product are in the description below. Product Mafia is tailored for dropshippers who want to quickly identify trending products with high sales potential. One of its standout features is the extensive product database, which is updated daily with new hand-picked items. Each product comes with detailed analytics, including profit margins, supplier links, and sales data, allowing you to make informed decisions before adding them to your store. The platform also offers competitor analysis, showing you how other sellers are pricing and marketing the same products, which is essential for positioning your own store competitively. Another key feature is the Ad Spy tool, which lets you explore successful ad campaigns on platforms like Facebook and Instagram. This is particularly useful for dropshippers looking to replicate proven marketing strategies without spending time and money on testing. Additionally, Product Mafia provides video and ad content that you can use or modify for your campaigns, helping you get to market faster with professional-looking materials. Product Mafia is ideal for both beginners and experienced dropshippers. Newcomers will appreciate the easy-to-use interface and comprehensive training materials, which guide you through the process of finding and launching products. Experienced sellers will benefit from the advanced features like sales tracking and niche analysis, which help to fine-tune their existing strategies and scale their businesses. In conclusion, Product Mafia is a robust tool that offers everything a dropshipper needs to succeed, from product discovery to marketing insights. Whether you're just starting or looking to grow your business, this tool provides valuable resources to help you stay ahead of the competition. If this sounds like what you need, check out the links in the description to get started. Thanks for watching.